Let us now take another sutram which prescribes this affix tumun. This sutram is 3466. We just studied 3465. Anavritti of tumun comes down from 3465 into this sutram 3466. This sutram says paryapti vachanesh valamartheshu. And anavritti of tumun comes down here. So the meaning is as follows: paryaptihi purnata. So paryaptihi means completeness, totally. And tadvachishu samarthya vachaneshu upapadeshu tumun syat. So the affix tumun may be used following a verbal root when in conjunction with a word such as alam. It doesn't have to be exactly alam, but in the meaning of alam. But when it denotes complete capability or competence, because alam has a few different meanings. It means enough or sufficient for, it means match for or equal to, it means able or competent, which is what we need. But it also means away with or enough of, no need for, no use of, like in a prohibitive sense. Like alam rodanena, enough with crying, no use of crying. Basically, stop crying. So that is not the meaning that will qualify here. So if alam is used in that meaning, then it will not qualify as a upapadam for this sutram. It has to have the meaning of able or competent or capable. And not only that, for this sutram it has to be completely capable. So for example, we could say alam bhoktum. Someone is fully capable, competent of eating, competent to eat. Of course, bhoktum we have derived before when we were studying the sutram 33167. That time we derived bhoktum. Derivation is the same. Derivation is the same. Derived from the verbal root bhuja, which is bhuja padana bhyavaharayoho. Only thing is here, the license to use tumun is given by this sutram 3466 because we do have alam in the sense of complete competence. Now it could be any word in that meaning. So we could have samarthaha, paryaptaha, praveenaha, kushalaha, patuhu, bhoktum. Any one of these will qualify because they are all in that same meaning of complete competence. Now the sutram does not prescribe tumun when in conjunction with alam used in the sense of enough of, no use of, having a prohibitive force. But occasionally we do find the poets using tumun in conjunction with alam even when used in this prohibitive sense. We can have, for example, alam suptajanam prabodhayitum. Alam suptajanam prabodhayitum. This is from a well-known kavyam, Mritchakatikam. So here we see the affix tumun being used in conjunction with alam. But this alam is not in the sense of complete competence. It means enough with that, no use of that. So enough with, do away with waking up sleeping people or sleeping person. So this is in the sense of prohibition. Don't do that. So this sutram doesn't really justify this use of tumun when in conjunction with alam used in this sense, but still once in a while really we may find it being used, though technically speaking that is not a correct grammatical usage. So like apte, even apte says over here is that sometimes used though less correctly with the infinitive in the same sense. Says yes, alam suptajanam prabodhayatum. He quotes the same example. So for this sutram, as Panini has it, alam has to be used in the sense of complete capability or competence, but has to be another word in that same meaning. Only if such a upapadam is there, then tumun may be used following a verbal root.